Hello,
Hello. Yes. Tell me.
Mr. Krishna Rao, right?
Yeah. Hi. Tell me.
Sir, Parikshit this side from Renewal Group.
Hi, Parikshit. Bolo.
Actually, I called you regarding our upcoming launch, sir. Regarding a new property.
Which one is that?
This is Renewal Avenue, located in Kanjurmarg East.
Okay. Is it near Runwal Bliss or anything?
It is into same compound, sir. Just
Okay.
the thing
It's
is
the
that
same.
project name is different and the management will be different for the project.
Okay. So Runwal Avenue, is it? Okay. Is it? It's in the same compound. Then why is it called something different?
Actually, the both project will be different. The project names is different
But it's part of the same larger property.
sorry.
See, in Runwal Bliss, you keep saying larger property, part of the, different towers have different RERA numbers.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Both project has a different RERA number. So let me inform you about the project. So the concept for the project. See, basically,
Okay.
Renewal Place is what it is an premium project wherein we have only 2 and 3 BHK.
Okay. And what about Avenue?
Avenue is something like you can get a smart size homes at the affordable pricing.
There is an economically weaker section tower which is mentioned in the agreement format of Runwal Bliss.
Okay.
By any chance, is it Avenue? Because they are saying that we don't know where we are going to locate it. So is Avenue that tower for economically weaker section?
See, sir, actually, I don't really know about it, sir. But because I just recently joined, so probably.
Okay. So smart size means what? Smart size means what exactly?
Smart size means exactly. See, let me tell you. Smart size is basically, see, you probably have seen the older flats wherein once you enter into your home, there will be a lobby to reach to your living room, and then again from your living room there will be more spaces wherein the lobbies are there. Then there are like some different areas wherein you cannot put anything something. So if like to say that if those area doesn't even exist, so it doesn't affect our life. So we have just reduced those kind of wastage of the area.
Okay. So what are the sizes available?
See, we have a 1 and 2 BHK over here. So for a 1 BHK, we have a price range of like 83 to 87 lakhs all inclusive.
Okay.
And for a 2 BHK, we have a carpet area of around like 480. And
carpet area of 480.
480, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and the all-inclusive pricing is somewhere between like 1.12, 1 year 12 lakhs to 1 year 18 lakhs.
Okay.
Yeah. So actually, sir, it is very smartly designed. Nothing such as wherein like you cannot live or like the room sizes are like bit lower or like smaller. So I would recommend to have a look on the model and as well as on a floor plan, because you might have heard about like Hafiz Contractor, right?
Hafiz Contractor, yeah.
Yeah. So he has done the architecture. So it is very smartly designed. And room sizes are almost same for the flats. So
okay.
have a look on the floor plan, and accordingly you can take your decision, sir. And the reason for calling before the launch is we have not launched this project yet, but probably like within 1 or 2 weeks we'll be going to launch this project. So once we launch this project, there will be a fixed pricing. So let's say, for example, for a 2 BHK, if we keep a pricing of like 1.18, so you'll be getting an additional 1 lakh rupees discount. So wherein if you come before launch, you'll get that in 1.17, and after launch you'll get that at 1.18. Yeah, so that's the difference for calling.
Okay. Now there are 2-3 things I want to know. See, first of all, this is a really compact tower. Okay,
Yeah.
Now, in this, on your agreement format, pro forma that is given on RERA.
Yeah.
Okay, there is on page 6, there is one paragraph R, where you are saying the sanctioned plan shows that a tower for the economically weaker section shall be constructed on the larger land. However, in accordance with the proposed layout being annexure A hereto, The said tower is proposed to be moved out of the current location and is accordingly proposed to be constructed on any other portion of the said larger land subject to prevailing rules and regulations. Now, what you are saying is that you basically are not disclosing where exactly this economically weaker section tower is going to be constructed on the larger land. Okay. It may be constructed close to avenue which you are selling, or it may be constructed close to any of the other Runwal Bliss towers which are shown on RERA. Okay.
Yeah.
You are saying you don't know where it is going to be constructed. Now, I am supposed to believe that you guys are selling, you've got 6 projects under this one company called EV, right? EV
Yeah.
Real Estate Private Limited, the promoter. You are selling 6 towers. All of them are registered on RERA.
See, like I can tell you about like the tower which is this tower is located close to the station side, sir. Means if you come
This
like
avenue is located close to the station.
right.
Okay, which means it will be located close to the railway tracks.
Exactly, sir.
Which means it is going to be a noisy location at least.
Not exactly towards the like railway line. This will be more over into the highway side. So wherein once you leave from the Kanjurmarg, once you come out of Kanjurmarg station, you have to just walk for like 1 or 2 minutes, and on the left hand side you'll find the avenue gate. And the first tower which I'm talking right now, it is exactly located at the main gate itself, sir.
This Runwal Avenue will be located right to the next to the main gate.
Exactly, sir.
Okay, so it is in the property, it is near the highway, is it?
Yeah, it is near to the highway.
Okay, and also near to the railway station?
Yeah, it is near to the railway station, sir.
Okay, how close to the railway station?
Like approximately we can say around like 100 to 150 meters.
Okay, so 150 meters from railway station, which means that it is also close to the highway and to the railway station, which means that would be a really noisy location.
Probably, sir.
Right. So that is okay. So fine, you are
But
disclosing.
see, basically that concept of the tower is very different, sir. We are providing the parking down the tower itself, sir. So first 9th floor will be parking, and as well as your clubhouse and everything. And our living area is starting from like 10th floor. So 10th plus 37 will be there. So total it would be like around 46 story tower, wherein first nine floors are for the parking clubhouse, and the rest above is like a living area. So I
First
don't think
9 floors are for parking. Okay.
yeah.
Now parking of just a second. Parking of only the people living in Avenue Tower or parking of the entire Bliss project?
No. It is only for an avenue, sir. As I
Okay.
mentioned, the project is different. So the management will be different, the amenities will be different, and the amenities which we are providing for an avenue, it is only for the avenue residents.
Okay.
Like
So Avenue, so the management will be different. You mean to say the facility management company for Avenue is going to be different from the facility management company of other Bliss towers, is it?
That's right, sir. So probably see, whenever somebody, not only Runwal, but whenever somebody launches a particular project. So let's say we have a project in Kanjurmarg, almost we have 3 projects over there now. We have a West, Runwal Forest in West, Runwal Bliss in East. So basically the company is same, but the management who take care of the amenities and the personnel are different.
Okay. The personnel are different, that is fine. I understand that. But since you are mentioning that the facility management company is different, what is the difference?
The management team will be different, sir, as I mentioned.
You remember that advertisement, Javed Jafri? This sauce, it's different, boss. So you're telling me it's different. I want to know how it is different.
See, I would recommend you to come at our site, sir. Where you stay currently?
I stay in Borivali. I will come to your site, but I need to understand what I'm going to see. See, in the time of coronavirus, we don't have the time to go wandering around here.
Yeah, do
Somebody
agree.
says come to the site and I come to the site. I am going to be living a very loose and stupid life if that's what I'm going to do all the time. So I want to understand what is the difference. Now you told it. You told me it's different. If you told me it's different, there must be some significance in that. Okay, I
See,
want to
basically,
understand what is the
see,
significance.
we can in a like simple in a simple language we can say like the location is same but the projects are different. So for example, if we say
But it's
like
in the same compound. It is the same layout.
yeah, the compound will be same, but everything will be different. The amenities, the people there, whoever are staying over there, the as I
What is
mentioned, the
different? So
clubhouse
what
will
is
be
different?
different.
The people who are staying over there will be different means what is different? Can you explain?
Not people, I said, sir. The amenities we are providing will be different. So, for
See, is
example,
this the economic? I'm asking you one straightforward question. Okay, just answer me straight. There is supposed to be one economically weaker section tower. Okay,
yeah,
and it says this in your agreement format. I have already opened the tower. I mean the agreement on
uh,
REA. Okay.
okay. See, probably, sir.
Now,
See, it
what
could
I'm
be. It
trying
could.
to understand, is this the economically weaker section tower avenue? That is one question. And if your answer is no, then my next question is going to be, then where is the economically weaker section tower going to be placed? And what is it called? What is its name?
Uh, okay. So probably, sir. It could be the same tower, but
Means
I
avenue is
I'm
going
not.
to be the economically weaker section
It
tower.
could be. It could be, sir, because I don't know about the
अरे
agreement
यार
which
तो
you are
पता
talking.
लगा के बोलो ना. You call me, you tell me, you find out about it, okay, and call me back. See, don't tell me it
Fine.
could be. I'll tell you why. See, I am on the agreement format. Okay, I'm reading your pro forma agreement. Now, what the pro forma agreement is saying in point number D is this: the promoter is already developing the following towers on the larger land in accordance with sanctions and approvals to be obtained by Municipal Corporation of Greater Mumbai. It says there are 5 residential towers known as Ivy,
Sir.
Daffodils, Iris, Marigold and Jasmine. They have named 5 towers. Okay, so tower A, B, C, D and E. Then they are saying the proposer proposes to develop another phase 2 known as Runwal Avenue. Okay,
Yes.
composed of 6 residential buildings. Tower I, J, K, L, M and N. Okay, now earlier somebody from Property Tiger had called me. And this guy told me, sir, we are only going to have 5 towers on this property. Therefore, there is going to be, you're going to have some 36, I think he said 36 acres or 39 acres or something.
36 acres, sir.
36 acres. So he said
Yeah.
on 36 acres, sir, we have only got 5 towers. Now, what I'm seeing here is, under the name of Avenue, there are going to be another 6 residential buildings. Okay, which is I, J, K, L, M and N. So 5 in so-called Runwal Bliss and 6 in so-called Runwal Avenue, but all on the same property, that is the same piece of land or same bunch of lands which have been
No,
joined
no, no,
together.
no. Actually, see, you are talking about the 6 towers. So those 6 towers are different, sir. Those 6 towers are different, and this is a completely new development, sir. This
Uh,
is not a part of Renewal Bliss. Only
but
just
it is on the
the
same
land.
land. It is the same land.
Yeah, it is on the same land.
Okay, so which is the same compound?
Yeah.
Okay, then how am I going to see what is the difference between Runwal Bliss and
So
Runwal
that is
Avenue? That's the
that is
name.
the reason I'm asking you to come at our site, sir, wherein we can show you the total the layout of our land parcel and where exactly this project is coming up and where the exactly place is located.
No, I will definitely
Uh,
come. I will definitely come, but first I
what
want
I,
to
yeah,
understand what I'm going
what
to
I
see
will do,
before
sir.
I come there.
Yeah. So what I will do, sir, I'll have a land parcels that we can say like that master plan of the land parcel,
Hmm.
wherein we have clearly mentioned that where exactly Renewal Avenue located and where exactly the Bliss is located. So I'll just forward you the e-brochure. This is your WhatsApp number or WhatsApp?
My WhatsApp number is 816 947
Just a second. Let me note it. Make a note of it.
Fine.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll just forward you the brochure, sir, wherein we have a master plan is attached to it.
So it is
So
going to clearly show me where this Avenue and Bliss are different and all that, is it?
exactly, sir.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Send me
Yeah.
that.
So I'll just yes, I'll forward you that brochure.
Okay.
And is that okay if I give you a call tomorrow morning or
Give me
in
a
a
call. Give me a call either today, anytime before 6 o'clock, around 6 o'clock, or
okay.
tomorrow, anytime after say 2 o'clock. Fine. Send it to me. Send me the your brochure. Let me take a look at it.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Thanks.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you for your time, sir. Have a
Bye.
good day.
You too. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. Hi.
Yeah. You are certain.
Okay, so I have got the agreement open in front, not your agreement, in your brochure open in front of me.
Okay.
Okay, now it is not giving me too much information about where is Runwal Avenue vis-a-vis Runwal Bliss.
See, I have sent you one photo. Sir.
You send me a screenshot?
Yeah, I have sent you one photo on your.
Okay, just a sec. Yeah, you sent me a photo. Okay, Runwal Bliss. Reserved open space, future development, Runwal Avenue. Okay, this is the layout. Understood. Okay. Yeah, okay. So Runwal Bliss is a different project. Runwal Avenue is on the same land plot. It's the same compound because the way it is shown, the way you guys are showing it, it looks like it should be a different compound.
No, it's in the same compound only, but actually, see, the compound was previously belonged to Crompton Grills, wherein there was an industrial area. But now, as we have we have bought it from Crompton Grills, so it was kind of like a different site. So wherein it was like, so that is the reason there is a road, and then the Runwal Avenue will come.
अच्छा, okay. ठीक है, चलो. अच्छा, by the way, this hello. Runwal, this is since because I said it, saw in the RERA website, it says that you guys have leased the land. I'm not clear whether it is from Crompton Greaves or whether it is from Tata Power. So, is there any Tata Power facility over there? Any substation or transformers or power lines or something like that? Is there something significant in there?
Yeah, let me check.
You'll check and get back?
Yeah, no, just hold on. I'll just give you the confirmation.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I just spoke with my team, sir. So no, not as such. Sir. It is completely different, and this is freehold land, and there will be no any Tata Power substation or anything.
There's no Tata Power substation or power lines or something? Is there power lines running through the property?
No, not actually.
ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं है क्या? High tension lines or there's nothing special about. So Tata Power is incidental, is it? Nothing special about this in terms of.
ये तो Crompton Grills company था. ये basically this company got shifted to Bhopal, so we bought that land from there, and then we started this project. So it is completely freehold and nothing excess available.
नहीं समझ में आया.
एक्चुअली सर मतलब कैसे उसका लैंड पार्सल था जो क्रॉम्पटन ग्रीव्स का लैंड पार्सल. तो इन 2017 और 16 समथिंग मतलब उन्होंने वो लैंड पार्सल हमें शेयर किया सर.
हाँ.
तो उसके बाद जो वहाँ पे था वो हमने डिमोलिश करके थे. वी स्टार्टेड आवर प्रोजेक्ट.
राइट, दैट आई अंडरस्टैंड. ओके.
तो वहाँ पे ऐसे कुछ नहीं रहेगा सर लाइक टाटा पावर.
ओके. So nothing significant about Tata, ना? उसका कुछ अपने को उसके बारे में there is nothing I have to worry about.
No, no.
Like, okay, fine, understood. If I have any queries about I have downloaded the agreement pro forma, allotment letter and agreement pro forma. If I have any queries, I'll call you.
Okay, no problem.
ठीक है? And if you can answer, then you answer. If you can't, then you escalate it.
Sure,
If
sir.
there is something that you don't know about or you don't understand or anything,
Sir,
you
if I don't have an answer, I'll speak to my seniors and accordingly I'll give you.
yeah. That will be nice. That will be nice. Okay. Chalo. Thanks. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you for your time, sir. Have a good day. Hello.
Acha, so just a question. See,
Yeah.
there are many towers, so I, J, K, L, M, N, etc. Okay, I have just opened up one of them. I opened up J ka this thing.
Just hold on, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Tell me now.
so there are these different towers in Avenue, Runwal Avenue, Tower I, J, K, and so on. Also called Wing I, J, K, L, M, N. Okay,
Yeah.
so there are these 6. And all these 6 will also consist of retail shops as well, is it?
Yeah, there will be retail shop, cafes, also will be coming up in the vicinity.
So that will be in the ground level or which level?
It will be completely different construction, sir. Kind of there will be, it will be completely different. So it will be not into your residential towers.
The residential, okay, for example, I am seeing on paragraph J, it is saying the name of the real estate project shall always be Runwal Avenue Tower Wing J. Okay, then it is saying the real estate project consists of one residential building / wing / tower and retail commercial shops at the blank level. Now, which level is that? It is saying that this is one project, Tower J, and in that there are going to be residential and commercial shops.
Right.
So it is in a single tower, na?
Yeah. So as I mentioned, this will be exactly 46 story tower, wherein on the in the 46, the first 9 floor consists of like parking, then as well as some of the retail shops as well.
Okay, first 9 floors consists of parking and
parking, clubhouse, and as well as retail shops also.
Retail shops and all will be in the first 9 floors. Okay. So above that will be so the parking for the retail shops also will be there. Parking for the commercial. So if somebody is going to come to visit this commercial shop, uske liye bhi customer parking will also be there, na?
No. For these retail shops are only for the avenue residents, not for the outsiders.
ऐसे थोड़ी चलने वाला है यार. You mean to say each tower is going to, the shops will only be visited by avenue residents. The shops will close down. I am interested in a shop. But if I have to only rely on people who live within that premises, then my shop will close down.
Yeah, I do agree, sir. But basically, see, we also have some open parking. So we are not going to give this covered parking to the some other residents. Some outsider, because there will be a parking allotted to you. There will be a parking on the name of you. So nobody else can park their vehicle at your place.
But then in the parking podium itself, you have to provide parking for the shop guys, right?
So there will be an open parking provision as well. See, basically, we are from the residential part only, sir. So if you are interested, yes, you will get the information. But for that, sir, you will have to come at us.
I am interested in the residential and the commercial part of it, like both. I am interested in both. Okay. Like I would like to have a flat and a shop.
Yeah.
So I just need to understand more. See, if it is going to be friendly parking for people who are, visiting, then the shop will do well. And if there isn't any parking and dur park karke tum chal ke aao sort of a thing, then nobody is going to come. Then the shop won't do well at all. I'm not going to get any good rentals. I won't get anything.
Right.
Right. So I need to understand what is the situation.
Sir, can I do one thing? I'll just pass on your number to our salesperson.
Sure.
The salesperson will give you a call on this, so
Sure.
you can have a discussion on the prices for like a commercial as well and everything.
Sure.
And then accordingly, we can discuss further with the salesperson.
Sure. Yeah. You tell that person to get in touch with me.
Yeah. So
Okay.
today is fine, right?
No, today
you
is
can
fine.
give me a
Tell him to give me a call.
call. Okay, fine. I'll give you a call back, sir.
Sure. Thanks. Bye.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.